a winter weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, Ashtabula, Inland, and Geauga. Winter storm warning now in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Accumulations, 6 to 12 inches of snow. Timing, heavy snow and blowing snow will taper off this evening. Winds, northeast 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to 30 miles per hour. Impacts, heavy snow and blowing snow will make for difficult travel. Temperatures, upper 20s. Visibilities, down to a few hundred feet at times from the combination of falling and blowing snow. If you will be traveling in the warning area, you should use extreme caution and expect snow-covered roads and reduced visibilities. You may want to delay the start of your trip. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB.